How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hand gripper workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at dylanberg999. So we will be using 200 pounds of resistance. We'll do 9 reps. Actually, let's do 10 reps. Let's do 10. Okay, let's get started. So yeah, there's 10. Pretty, not too bad in my opinion. Arms are coming along nicely. Veins are coming in good. Today I weighed in at 182. Not too bad. My lowest weigh-in in the morning is 176. The lowest weigh-in after work was 174.6. So that 176 weigh-in, if you guys are wondering, well, how the heck are you 182 in the morning? My weight fluctuates anywhere from 176 to 182 in the morning. That's the thing that I often tell people when they're cutting weight is, let's say you want to be 175 pounds in the morning. You better get to about 167, 168 when you are done cutting weight. Because what's going to happen when you increase your calories to maintenance calories is you're going to get a lot more sodium in, a lot more carbs, a lot more water. You're going to gain anywhere from 5 to 7 pounds back. So something to keep in mind is, hey, there's Sparky. Hi, Sparky. That's what I often tell people. But the good thing is that when you start cutting weight again, that 5 to 7 pounds, first week it goes away like that. So water weight, it's kind of, I mean, it is what it is. But that's kind of how I got down to 176 in the morning. But now that I'm eating again, I'm back up to 182. Anywhere from 176 to 182. It's going to vary. Some days might be 180, some days 179, some days 181. What I am doing now, my calories before, when I was cutting weight, 2,300 on the days I did not work and 2,500 on the days I did work. So 2,300 calories on the days I worked, 2,000 calories on the days I did not work. That was not enough calories in my opinion. So anyways, I've kind of increased it a little bit. So I'm going to be maintaining on 3,000 calories. I'm eating 3,000 calories on the days I work and 3,000 calories on the days I do not work. So that's pretty good. I mean, that gives me 4 solid meals throughout the day that are at least 700 calories, and it gives me 200 calories for a snack. So those are big. 700 calories is a pretty big meal. Generally in the morning, I'll get up at about 7 o'clock in the morning. So that means I could have a 700 calorie meal at 7 o'clock, noon, 5 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Or I'd probably go 7, noon, 4, 8, something like that, and then still have 200 calories. So that's not too bad in my opinion. That's pretty... That's pretty decent. Right now I'm running 2 peanut butter and jam sandwiches. That's about 750 calories. So right there, 700. I have been doing spaghetti, a pound of spaghetti with cheese whiz. That's around 650. So pretty well 700. I will be adding in rice. So one meal will be like 3 servings of rice, about 650 calories, and 660 calories, I believe, for 3 servings of rice. And then I was also going to have, what the hell else was I going to have? Oh, I was going to have more rice with ground beef though. So instead of 3 servings, maybe 2 servings, and then a serving of ground beef. And that's kind of what my meals were going to be. Super duper easy. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.